Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how I feed my goldfish with swim bladder problem with spirulina, green peas, and also some boiled eggs. So I mix them together and make sure that the green peas is a fresh one, shelled and also mashed. Make sure that the peas are really boiled to soften because the goldfish will have a hard time to eat that. And now it's raining food. And so I did place the food inside a porcelain dish, and we can't avoid the cloudiness that it creates whenever that we try to sink it down. But it would actually help if you have a dish like this in feeding them, because I do have a pebbles, sand at the bottom of the tank, and though it can be taken out for the left food at the bottom by doing a siphon, it's best to have a dish like that so that the fish can just go in. But as they are very playful, they sometimes dig out and somewhat the food mess around in the water. But you could see there, that is Mochi, and he's trying his best to go and try to get the food from the dish. But while he's doing that, others are enjoying actually the feeding time. And a day after, because of that, I think he's just bloated. Well, actually Mochi loves to go near where the bubbles are at the top of the tank, and he loves to gulp air, and that's why he's getting that swim bladder effect on him. So, but after this feeding time, the next day, actually he's doing well, and I would show you that in this video. And as you can see there, everybody's enjoying, and also they know where to get their food, and it's a bit training. And as you can see there, some of the fishes is trying to dig inside the dish and mess around with the food like Red is doing right now. As you can see that he is very playful actually. And that one also, that is Bumper, and she's a female. And I just want to let you know guys that she just laid eggs a couple of days ago. I guess that's 2 days ago, and hoping for more goldfish babies. So after this eating frenzy, here is Mochi, this Calico Ranchu, and he is swimming better now than yesterday. And thank you